Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews, guys. I'm super excited today to finally get my hands on the B&O Olufsen Beoplay H95. I've been trying to get my hands on them for a really long time and I have finally been able to do so. Today I'll be unboxing them and I'll be doing a review and comparison very shortly as well. Now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know that this channel is completely surviving on your subscriptions, watching my videos and liking them. So if you want to see more content, please do subscribe and watch my videos. Without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. So first of all, what I would like to share with you guys is what it comes in. So you get a nice bag, Bang & Olufsen bag, okay, with fabric handles. It's a very nice looking bag. I don't mind it at all. All right, so it comes with that. Then you've got this pretty beautiful looking box. Okay, that's the N95. It's got the little pull down tab to open it as well. Okay, so let's get that underway. Let's open this up. And that's it. Wow guys, this is $1,650 worth of headphones in Australian dollars that I'm opening up. Okay, so that's basically it. Now you've got another pull tab over here to open it up properly. Let's appreciate the box. It has a very nice pattern to it that can be felt as well. Opening it up, you just pull onto this tab and you've got another one over here which I'm going to leave as is. So it opens up like this. Okay, you've got a very soft foamy material over here to protect the case. You've got the case. Okay, I've got it this color I couldn't tell because it was acting really weird in the lights. When I was buying it, it looked pink or lavenderish purple. I would say light purple, lavender. So it looked like that color, but like in this is called Nordic Ice. So let's look at what do we get inside. So first of all, you've got a bit of a plastic covering all this stuff. So that's, I think, the manuals. Again, the same pattern as the outside, feels exactly the same, which is very nice to feel. So you've got the supporting material, how to turn it on, and that is just your important warranty stuff, I guess. So that's basically it. That's what you get, and you get a really nice piece of cloth as well to clean up your H95s with. So that's very luxurious, guys. Very soft, very nice. Let's look at the Beoplays themselves. Okay, so they have two little tabs here that you can pull on, and it opens up very nicely. Look at how good it looks. It's beautiful, it's soft, the material. Let's take this out and admire the case. So this is the first time that Beoplay are doing cases. Okay, they started with their HX and then H95. Now looking inside, you've got some Bang & Olufsen information. Okay, I'll do it like this for better lighting, if nothing else. You've got a very luxurious looking, beautiful airplane adapter. Okay, you've got a leather band around your 3.5 headphone jack. Okay, and it's 3.5 to 3.5 and it's color matched to your headphones. And you also get a USB to USB-C charging, which is again has a beautiful leather cover to it, and that's how you open it up. Got this thing to keep it dry, I guess. Yeah, let's start opening this bad boy up. So first of all, you've got some plastic bits over here, some plastic bit over here, and you've got the headphones over here. Now the good thing about them is they're very soft, they're very plush, but if they ever start going off, you can just take it off. It's magnetic, so that's something AirPod Max do as well. And it's, as you guys can have a closer look, it's very soft, very luxurious. Inside you'll get the speakers sitting on a bit of a slant with all the sensors there. Okay, so that's where the speakers are, and that's how they sit. They complement your ears canals. Other than that, very soft luxurious leather here, quite soft over here as well, and everything else is very expensively made. So you're looking at top class metals. Okay, opening it up, it opens up like this and locks into place over here. So let's open this up for you guys. Okay, so that's done. Let's look at the other side. Yep. Okay, the resistance is quite well. Okay, not too hard that you're pulling on it really hard. It's very good. The only thing about headphones these expensive, I feel like, is the banging around. As you can hear it, this bit is plastic. Okay, this is the only cheap bit you get on it, so hopefully it's not going to damage it as much, but that's something to be aware of that I can immediately see. Alright guys, that's basically it. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys would like me to pair this up against. I would like to pair it up against straight away with the HX and also the H9s, 3rd generations, and anything else you guys can suggest. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Take good care and don't forget to like. Bye bye.